In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Enchant Relic in Fisch. So in case you've been trying to enchant your tools and get some enchantments onto your fishing rods, here's how you can get the enchantment relics or the enchant relics, which are necessary if you want to perform this action. So what you want to know is that after reaching level 30 in Fisch, so as you can see, I'm not high enough of a level just yet, you need level 30. Once you reach level 30, you can purchase an enchant relic from Merlin NPC. However, what's also important to know is that this will cost you $11,000 or this in-game currency, money, in cash, which is quite expensive actually. However, an enchant relic can be obtained earlier as well, okay? So that's not the only option you have. To do this, you will basically just have to fish. So when you fish, there is actually a small chance that you will catch an enchant relic. Although this method is more time consuming though, it is better because it saves you a lot of money and a lot of grinding you need to get to level 30, and then the 11,000 that you need to buy the enchant relic from Merlin. So once you've done that, you want to come to this cave. I also have a tutorial on how to enchant on my channel. You can look it up and it will show you exactly how to access this cave. And then in here, you want to simply hold down interact at the enchant altar, and it will say you must offer the altar an enchant relic, and if you have one in your inventory, it will then give you an enchantment to your rod. So that's pretty much it. As I said, if you want to know how to get to this place over here, you can watch my tutorial on my channel, and I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.